everyone, it's Amber and thank you so much for joining me in today's video. This is going to be the last craft fair project of the year, but don't worry, I'm still going to be doing lots of Christmas videos. This happens to be the last craft fair project in my craft fair series. And then after this video, I have one more video for the craft fair series, and that's going to be a tour of both of our craft fairs from this year. So I'm going to be sharing all of our tables. So my mom has her own booth, and then my sister Ginger has hers, and then Bree and I do a booth together, as you know. So it's going to be so much fun, and in that video, I'm also going to be sharing a recap of both of my craft fairs, how everything went, what the best and worst sellers were. So that is an exciting video coming up next, so stay tuned for that. It's going to be in the next couple days. And I also have a surprise that I'm going to be announcing at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that one. But I'm going to be sharing with you today my last craft fair project, and it is my Christmas blind date with a book. So as you know, we already did the blind date with a book, and I showed you that video, and I did the full tutorial on how to wrap the book in a way where it has all these pockets and you can add goodies to it. So I'm going to link that one below so you can go click on it and get the tutorial on how to wrap this. But once we did our first craft fair, we completely sold out. I think we had 1 or 2 books left. So we completely almost sold out of those. I think we have 1 or 2 left. And it was so amazing. I was so blown away how popular they were, and people were so cute going through them, reading all the tags and picking them out for gifts for friends. So what we decided to do quickly after that craft fair is Christmas blind date with a book. We made so many of these Christmas blind date with a book, and they were so popular at our craft fair. I'll just tell you that as a little sneak peek hint to my next video when I tell you about my best sellers. They were so popular. We did so many of these, and half of them that we did, we actually put Christmas novels in there. So like cozy Christmas romances, things like that. And then the other half, we used just regular novels, like the regular books that I was doing for the first round. But we wrapped them all in Christmas paper because it's still nice to receive a book, even if it's not a Christmas book, wrapped with the cute Christmas paper with all the goodies in it as a nice Christmas gift. So that was super popular. And of course, we give the little hints on the tag. So I'm going to go ahead and build this one here on the video. If you want the in-depth tutorial, again, click the link below to go over and I show how I wrap this, and I give tons of hints on where you can find books. And oh my gosh, we had so many books. Raid your stash for the goodies. Don't spend a bunch of money on this. Go to the Dollar Tree and get candy canes and ribbon. It's so easy. Okay, so let's go ahead and build this Christmas blind date with a book. Okay, so most everything you see here I pulled from my stash. Aside from these little reading lists, and I got these on Amazon and I'll link them below. And this is a TBR bookmark, the to be read. And so as you go, you can kind of fill and color in the books. And then I have a bookmark that's red, and pretty much everything else I had in my stash. I have a bunch of library cards in my stash, and I got these from a really cute Etsy shop, and she is KittyWittyPapercraft. I love her. Her name is Amy, and she has the best stuff in her Etsy shop. So that's where I got these library cards. And of course, I got all the holiday teas because I made tea favors this year too. So I just picked a couple, and I'm just going to put one in. So I think I'm going to do probably the green Christmas tea. So I'm going to pick that one. And then I just had some tickets in my stash. And this right here, oh my gosh, this is like my favorite thing that I'm going to be putting in. This is one of those matching games from Dollar Tree, and it's the Christmas edition, and they have them at Dollar General too. I am obsessed with these, and if you guys have been watching my channel for any length of time, you know this is my absolute favorite item from the Dollar Tree. I have so many packs of these. It's its own little work of art. And I put an eyelet in it, and I'm going to make a bookmark out of it. So I'll show you how I'm going to do that. But it's this, oh, this one's the Go Fish. So they have Go Fish matching, and they're just so cute. They're like this little journal card, but I'm going to make this into a bookmark. And then I just have this little sticker from my stash, and I'm going to always add chocolate into the blind date with the book. I always add a really nice quality pen. So this is a Papermate Flare, and we got a package of these red ones. And we got a bunch of candy canes, so I'm gonna add a candy cane. And these are like little cranberries. So I got this in a big pack from Target for $5. And so we use these a lot this year. And then I just pulled some stickers and die cuts. You can pull whatever you want. These are those Tim Holtz Christmas strips. They're new this year, I believe. So I just trimmed the top off so it would fit in here, and it's gonna act as a little bookmark. And then of course, ribbon, of course, some seam binding from MyScrapcabinShop on Etsy. I love, love, love her seam binding. I'll link it below. And then I just have, again, some die cuts and stickers, just whatever kind of stuff you want. And I love this edition. These are those like transparent book tabs that you can use to tab the pages of your book. And these are like a mint green to go with the wrapping paper. And I just pulled some red and green paper clips and this really cute rose gold paper clip. And of course, some ribbon to wrap it. So this is so satisfying and so easy. And again, make it your own, tuck whatever you want in there. But let me just show you kind of how I do it. So first I work on my bookmarks because I know I want to decorate them a little bit. So here's the 3 bookmarks I'm going to decorate. This is my favorite ribbon of all time from Dollar Tree. And it kind of feels like it's double-sided, but it's not. But that's why I like it, because it's not completely white on the back. You can still kind of see the image. So I'm just going to use a little bit of this. And I'm going to make this card into a cute bookmark. I got these eyelets on Amazon, and I just used my Cropodile. So I'm going to feed that through there and just make it into a cute little bookmark like that. And I think I'll just cut a little bit of this ribbon here and then tie a cute little knot here. And it'll make the cutest bookmark ever. So it's just so simple and easy. And so there's my first cute bookmark. So I'm going to set that aside, and then I'm going to doctor these up. I'm going to stick this one here in that top pocket. And I like that this is long because it'll hang off like the side of the book. This one's gonna go like off to the side just a little. And then I'm gonna put the snowman one right in the middle. And I'm gonna use this cute gold paper clip and just kind of clip it so it doesn't slide all the way down the pocket. And I'm gonna do the same up here with this green paper clip. I'm just gonna clip this one to the big one so it doesn't slide down. I think that's so cute so far. And then I'm going to take this cute little ice skate sticker. Now this is like a die cut sticker, so it's kind of hard. So I'm going to stick it down here in the corner. I have this cute little die cut I can put. So with that, I'm going to put it down here. And it's going to overlap a little on the skates, which is super cute. So I'm going to take this cute one here and stick it behind my snowman. Then I'm going to take this cute one here and just stick it right in front of there. So for the tea and the chocolate, I like to put them next to each other. So I'm just going to tuck the tea right here. So I'm going to tuck the chocolate behind there, just like that. And then once I put the candy cane and the pen in, this will stay and it'll be a little bit tighter, so that's good. I think I'm going to do that over here. Just like that. And then I have my pen too. I'm going to stick in over here. So when I put the pen in, it gives me a little clip right there. So I'm going to tuck a cute die cut under there. So cute, right? So I'm going to tuck that behind here. And then I can't forget my little cute tabs right there. So I'm going to add some adhesive to the back. And I'm going to stick those right there. So there's the cute little tablet of tabs. Just like that. So what I have left is my red paper clip, this scrap of ribbon, and then my little ticket stubs. So I'm just gonna use everything. I'm gonna take my ribbon and go to the top of the paper clip and stick it through the top of the paper clip and make a cute little ribbon clip here. So I just made a cute little decorative clip. And then I think I'm gonna just take my stub here, my ticket stubs, and put them behind the die cut and just clip them on there. So here's what we have so far. And I'm gonna just push this aside real quick and get my tag out. So for the tag, I'm going to write 3 hints about the book. So I'm just gonna do little hearts. And I'm gonna say cozy Christmas romance, because I know what this book is, but because of the surprise at the end of the video, I'm not gonna tell you what book this is. Cozy Christmas romance. And then for the next hint, I'm gonna say holiday traditions. And Hallmark vibes. So not the best of handwriting, but so there's the cute little hints that I have on the tag for this one. And I'm gonna take some ribbon. I just have this beautiful white and red gingham ribbon, and I'm gonna wrap this like a present. Okay, so I'm just gonna, again, wrap this like a present. I'm just gonna do one little knot there and then turn it, and I'm gonna hang the tag off of it now. So I'm gonna stick it under this ribbon and tie that on there. Make sure not to tie the tags on too tight, because then they won't be able to flip it over and read the little hints. So now that that's on there, I'm just gonna make a bow. Okay, you guys, so there's our cute blind date with a Christmas book. I love it so much. And again, these were amazing sellers at our craft fair. You by all means do not have to load it up this much, but we loved doing it and we had so much cute stuff that we wanted to use. So I will link some of the stuff below that we did use. And I hope that you give this a try. It was so much fun, a great craft fair seller, but also would make a wonderful Christmas gift for anyone who loves to read. For the pricing on these, we did the same price as we did on the other ones, $15 each, and it went really well. Okay, so if you made it this far in the video, I have a surprise. We are going to be doing mystery craft fair boxes. So kind of like a virtual craft fair, we're going to be taking all of the stuff that we made for the craft fair and offering it in boxes. They're all going to be a mystery, but you are going to kind of get a hint of the items that are going to be in the box. So that's all going to be in the detail video, but stay tuned for that because we're going to be doing an Etsy release for those. And oh my gosh, I'll tell you right now, every single box is going to have a Christmas blind date with a book. So please watch out for that video. I'll make sure to announce it on Instagram before I post it. And also, I just wanted to thank everybody for watching my craft fair series this year. Oh my gosh, it was so amazing. You guys are the sweetest, most supportive community ever. If you have a YouTube channel and you had craft fairs this year, I would love to check out your craft fair videos. That'll be so much fun. So let us all know in the comments and stay tuned for my next video, which is the craft fair tour and recap. I cannot wait to share with you the best and worst sellers. It is going to be so fun. So stay tuned for that. And I thank you so much for watching this video, everybody. Have a wonderful day. Bye.